What's going on, flyers? Today, we're putting a serious contender through its paces, the F8 MAX GPS drone. This isn't just an entry-level drone, it's a professional-grade aerial platform that promises epic range, superior safety, and incredible camera clarity, all in a compact, foldable design. We've got 8K video capabilities, up to 30 minutes of flight time, and one feature that will change how you fly, 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance. Let's dive in. Unbeatable range and endurance. First off, let's talk about how far and how long you can fly. The F8 MAX is equipped with a high-capacity 7.4V 3000 mAh battery, giving you an extended flight time of up to 25 to 30 minutes. That's essential for capturing those long, cinematic shots. And distance? Prepare for serious altitude. The control range stretches out to an impressive 3,000 meters, with 5G Wi-Fi FPV image transmission keeping your live video feed clear for up to 2,000 meters. You monitor all this action directly on the large screen remote controller, giving you a bright, dedicated view of your flight without needing to rely solely on your phone. The entire unit is powered by a brushless motor, which is the hallmark of a high-quality drone. It's powerful, operates with minimal noise, and ensures longevity so you can focus purely on flying. Plus, weighing in at just under 248 grams and featuring foldable arms, it collapses down small enough to toss in a backpack, making it the perfect travel companion. 360-degree safety and intelligent flight. Safety first, right? The F8 MAX has built-in 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, providing a complete shield around your drone. Shot of the drone avoiding obstacles like branches or wires, this makes flying in tricky environments or tight spaces safer and less stressful, letting you focus on the composition. But the real magic lies in its intelligent flight capabilities, all thanks to GPS. Route multipoint planning, draw a flight path right on your app screen, and the drone executes the route autonomously. You become the cameraman, not the pilot. Intelligent tracking, use GPS intelligent tracking or image following to lock onto a subject. The drone will identify it and automatically follow its movement, keeping it perfectly centered. Gesture recognition, for quick solo shots, stand 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make a simple hand gesture, and the drone will capture a photo or start recording video automatically. The camera quality. We can't forget the primary mission, stunning video. The F8 MAX features a powerful 8K professional camera, allowing you to capture blur-free images and videos from altitude. The camera boasts a wide 100-degree angle, and the pitch can be adjusted remotely via the controller or app, from -90 degree to 0 degree, giving you those crucial downward-facing shots. Finally, GPS also acts as your flight insurance. The drone features one key return to takeoff point, and if the battery dips too low or if the signal is lost, the F8 MAX automatically uses GPS to safely come home. Final verdict. The F8 MAX GPS drone successfully bridges the gap between portability and professional performance. It delivers exceptional range, powerful brushless motors, essential 360-degree safety, and a sharp 8K capable camera system. If you're serious about aerial photography and want reliability and flight assistance, this is one drone you should absolutely check out. If you want to see a full flight test, hit that subscribe button. What do you think is the best feature of the F8 MAX, the 3000 m range or the 360-degree obstacle avoidance? Let me know in the comments below.